Oh, hey guys, I am back with another banger on top of another banger, guys. If you're new to the family, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, without wasting anybody's time, let's get into it. So, we are given a question here, right? So, on this question paper, let me read first what the statement. So it's a continuation a video of how do we tackle those basics principles in that first question. Right one. So question one says what? It says in the diagram below, KPT are vertices of triangle KTP. So vertices is where the two lines meet. Okay, A and B are points on the y-axis. Okay, so they say A and B are points on the y-axis, right? And C and D are points in the x-axis. So oh yes. So the first question, it says what? Calculate the length of KT. Okay, so now we are looking for what? For Mr. KT. So we're going to use what? 1.1.1. We're going to use what? We're going to use the distance formula. Okay, the distance of KT is going to be what? Square root of whatever xk minus xt squared plus yk minus what? Yt. Then you square. Papa. Okay, and then after here, you just do what? You just substitute the coordinates. Okay, xk is what? It's minus 5 minus 1. Then you square plus what is yk? It's going to be 1 minus what? Minus 6. And then you square. Guys, don't forget to square your thing. Minus 5 minus 1 square plus 1 minus 6. Okay, so do you see the answer that I get here is what? Square root of 61. So if you could look at the question, if you could just look at the question, it says what? Leave the answer in the third form. So the third form is this guy here. Sharp. Okay, now we go to what? We go to 1.2. Okay, 1.2. 1.2, they say what? Calculate the equation of line KP. So, okay, when you are looking for line KP, you're going to use this formula right here. Y1 is equals to mx minus x1. So there's another equation. There's another equation, but I prefer this one because of it is easy. So since they said they are looking for the equation of line KP, first things first, they're going to look for what? For the gradient of what? Of KP. So the gradient of KP is going to be what? YK. Yeah, YK minus YP over XK minus XP. Hey guys, Pella, today Kaiser Chiefs is playing, so hey, if you hear noises in the background, they just know Kaiser Chiefs is winning. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, YK. What is our YK? Our YK is our YK. What is our YK? Our YK is 1 minus open bracket minus 2. So I'm taking these things from here. Whatever. Okay, over, and then what is xk? So xk is going to be what? Minus 5. Minus 5. Minus what is xp? Xp is going to be what? 7. Then our answer is going to be what? 3 over what? Negative 12. Which is what? Which is negative 1 over 4. So it means what now? It means now my gradient for Kp is what? Negative 1 over 4. Bye. So I'm going to use what? I'm going to now finish this equation here. Y minus y1 is equals to what? Negative 1 over 4 x minus x1. Bye. And then check. I'm going to take any coordinate that is within line what? Kp. Right. So I'm going to take coordinates k. So going to be what? Okay, y minus 1 negative 1 over 4 x minus what? Minus open bracket minus 5. Right. Then you'll get what? Negative 1 over 4 x plus 5 y minus 1. Then you get what? Negative 1 over 4 x minus 5 over 4 y minus 1. Then y is equaling to minus 1 over 4 x. So this one, when it jumps to the right hand side, is going to change from negative to positive. Then we'll have what? We'll have minus 5 over 4 plus 1. Then we'll have this. So this is the line of what? Of Kp. Okay, so now the question, okay, then the next question says what? It says calculate the length of AB. Okay, so how do you get the length of AB? Check. Okay, so to get the coordinates of B, we know that when we have a coordinate here on our y-axis, our x is going to be what? Our x is going to be 0. So to get the coordinates of B, you're going to substitute 0 on that previous equation that we got. Okay, let's see. Y minus what? Okay, y is equivalent to minus 1 over 4. So this is what? 1.3. So y is what? Negative 1 over 4, which means b is what? Is 0 and negative 1 over 4. You get it? Okay, now we got what? Coordinate b. So how are we going to get coordinates a? We'll have to look for the equation also. The equation of what? Of kt. So I determine the equation of kt. The gradient of kt is what? It's going to be 6 minus 1. So I'm going to do it faster because of I already explained the gradient. 1. So here you'll get what? 5 over 6. So this is the gradient of what? Of kt. Then what are we looking for? We're looking for the equation of kt. kt. 5 over 6 x minus. So where you see x1 and y1, you're going to pick any coordinate, whether coordinate k or t. So I'm going to choose coordinate k. Why do I choose those coordinates? Because of the line in that straight line. Okay, so x there is what is minus 5. Okay, y minus 1. Sharp. Okay, then 5 over 6 x plus 5. So I'm simplifying now. Ne? Don't be shocked. Don't already. Yeah. What is this guy doing? Okay, it's 5 over 6x. Then here you'll get what? Here you'll get plus 25 over 6. And when you say y is equal to then you transpose here 25 over 6 plus 1. Then we'll end up with a 5 over 6 x plus 31 over 6. So to get coordinate A, check and we now have what the straight line of KT. We have the equation. So to get the coordinate of A, you substitute 0 here. Why do you substitute 0? Because of it is y-intercepts. Okay, y is equals to what? 5 over 6. Then your x is 0 plus 31 over 6. Then your y is what? It is 31 over 6. And then coordinate A is what is 0 and 31 over 6. So guys, look at this. Look at this. What did the question ask from you? It looked for what? For the coordinate of A and B. So the coordinate of A is 0 and 31 over 6. And then the coordinate of B is what? And the coordinate of B is what? 0 and negative 1 over 4. So you're going to say what? The distance of AB is equal to square root whatever XA minus XB squared plus YA minus YB. Then you square. Then you get 0 minus 0 squared plus. So our x here, our x are zeros. And then YA, what is YA? 31 over 6 minus 1 over 4. Hey guys, excuse my handwriting. Pella, to see whether somebody's good at maths, you have to look at their handwriting. Yeah. Okay, so they didn't say anything about units. So that's how I do that question. You know what? Hey, this next question, it's going to require working. It's going to require the video of its own, but yeah, I'm going to do the readings. I'm going to do the last video on another video. One ton. Okay, so we'll end up here on this video, but please guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Danko.